day, children. I remain your teacher, Obike Mata. We'll be looking at social studies, and our topic today is food safety. Food safety. What is food safety? Food safety is the way food is made pure and safe for consumption, meaning that some food are not safe for consumption. So food safety are the various ways you make your food to be pure and clean for consumption. Sometimes after eating, you will be complaining that your stomach is disturbing you because that consumption is not safe as a result of one or two mistakes. The next thing we'll look at is ways of food safety. Ways to food safety. Ways to food safety. The various ways we can safeguard our food. Number one, you read the label. Your mommy buy biscuit for you. It is not good for you to open the biscuit and be eating it like that. You need to check the label to know if that biscuit has expired. That is ways to food safety. You check the label of the food you are eating. Then the next step is you perceive. Some of us, once they give you food, you will start eating it like that. You need to perceive the odor coming out from the food. If that food is good, you eat it. If the food is bad, you also do what? Leave it. That is safety. So once they give you food, you need to check the odor that is coming out from the food. That is food safety. Then the next step is washing your hands after and before eating. It is not good as a child. You come back from school, you start eating like that. No, you need to wash your hands. Some of us have played in school. Some of us, we have touched our hands in so many places. So it is good, once you enter your house, you wash your hand. You wash your hand, you take your food, you eat. And after eating, you also wash your hands. That is food safety. Especially when you are eating eba. Not after eating eba, you will not wash your hand. It is not good. You will leave your hand like that. If you want to eat rice, you still use that dirty hand and still eat rice. It is not food safety. So as a good child, you wash your hand before eating and you also wash your hand after eating. As a good child, you check the odor that is coming out from the food. Not once they give you food, you start eating it like that. No, you check the odor. If the odor is bad, you leave the food. You tell your mommy, "Mommy, this food is not good. The odor that is coming out from this food is very bad. I cannot eat it." Because if you take that food, it's going to affect you and you will still complain to your mommy. Also, you check the expiring date of your biscuits or your snacks. Whatever thing your mommy or your daddy buy for you, you check the expiring date. That is food safety. Children, in our next class, we shall look at the substances that we should put inside our body. Thank you. Bye-bye.